Earthworms are often overlooked. They live beneath our feet, unseen and underappreciated. These small, wriggling creatures are often ignored, but they are incredibly important. But these creatures play a vital role in the health of our planet. They are nature's plows, tirelessly working to keep the soil fertile and healthy. Earthworms are essential for fertile soil. Their burrowing activities help to aerate the soil, allowing air and water to penetrate deeply. They are tiny engineers, constantly working to improve the ground we rely on. By breaking down organic matter, they enrich the soil with nutrients. Earthworms are indicators of soil health. Their presence in large numbers is a sign that the soil is rich and fertile. Their presence signifies a thriving ecosystem. Healthy soil supports healthy plants, which in turn support a diverse range of wildlife. A high population of earthworms suggests good soil quality. It means the soil is well structured and full of organic matter. It means the soil has enough organic content. Earthworms feed on this organic matter, breaking it down and recycling it back into the soil. It also indicates minimal contamination. Earthworms are sensitive to pollutants, so their presence suggests a clean environment. Farmers recognize the importance of earthworms. They know that these creatures are vital for maintaining soil health and fertility. They know healthy soil leads to healthier crops. Earthworms help to create the perfect conditions for plants to grow. Earthworms are essential for agricultural productivity. Without them, the soil would become compacted and less fertile. They are also crucial for the health of our ecosystems. Earthworms help to maintain the balance of nature by supporting plant growth and providing food for other animals. We must understand and protect these creatures. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that earthworm populations remain healthy. Their survival is intertwined with our own. By protecting earthworms, we are also protecting the health of our soil and our planet. Earthworms are the unsung heroes of soil health. Let's give them the recognition they deserve for their invaluable contributions to our world. Earthworms may seem simple, but they are incredibly important to the ecosystem. Their impact on the soil is complex and profound, influencing everything from soil structure to plant health. They perform many functions that benefit plant growth, acting as natural tillers of the earth. Their activities enhance the overall structure and fertility of the soil, making it more conducive for plant roots to spread and absorb nutrients. One of their primary roles is burrowing, which helps to aerate the soil. As they tunnel through the ground, they create channels that allow air and water to penetrate deeper into the soil. These channels act as pathways for air and water, which are essential for the health of plant roots. This aeration and drainage is crucial for plant roots, helping them to grow stronger and healthier. Earthworms also consume organic matter, which includes decaying plant material and soil particles. This includes decaying plant material and soil particles, which they break down into smaller pieces. They break down these materials into smaller pieces, a process that helps to release nutrients into the soil. This process helps to release nutrients into the soil, enriching it and making it more fertile. Earthworm excrement, known as castings, is incredibly beneficial for the soil. It is rich in nutrients which are in a form readily available to plants. These nutrients are in a form readily available to plants, promoting healthier and more robust growth. Earthworms are natural fertilizers, enhancing soil fertility and contributing to a thriving garden ecosystem. Soil structure is crucial for plant growth. A well-structured soil allows for proper root development. It also enables efficient water infiltration and drainage. Earthworms play a vital role in improving soil structure. Their burrowing activities create channels and pores in the soil. These spaces improve aeration. They also enhance water infiltration and drainage. This prevents waterlogging and promotes healthy root growth. Earthworm castings also contribute to soil structure. The castings bind soil particles together. This creates aggregates, which are clusters of soil particles. Aggregates improve soil stability. They also increase the soil's capacity to hold water and nutrients. Nutrients are essential for plant growth. They are the building blocks of plant tissues. Earthworms play a vital role in nutrient cycling. This makes nutrients available to plants. Earthworms consume organic matter. This includes decaying plant and animal material. They break down this material in their gut. This releases nutrients locked within. Their excrement or castings is rich in nutrients. These nutrients are in a form that plants can easily absorb. Castings act as a natural fertilizer. They replenish the soil with essential nutrients. Earthworms also move nutrients through the soil profile. Their burrowing brings nutrients from deeper layers to the surface. This makes them accessible to plant roots. Section 5. Organic matter decomposition. Organic matter is essential for soil health. It provides nutrients and also improves soil structure. Earthworms are key players in the decomposition of organic matter. They consume dead plant material such as fallen leaves and roots. They also break down animal waste. This process helps to recycle nutrients back into the soil. Earthworms fragment organic matter. They break it down into smaller pieces. This increases the surface area available for microbial decomposition. Microbes further break down the organic matter, releasing nutrients. Earthworm activity accelerates the decomposition process, leading to the formation of humus. Humus is a stable form of organic matter. It improves soil fertility and water-holding capacity. Section 6. The silent killer. Pollution. Pollution is an insidious threat that often goes unnoticed until the damage is severe. Pollution poses a significant threat to earthworms, which are crucial for maintaining healthy soil ecosystems. These creatures are sensitive to environmental contaminants, and their presence is often an indicator of soil health. Pesticides, heavy metals, and industrial waste can all harm earthworm populations. These pollutants can disrupt their natural habitat and food sources. Pesticides are designed to kill pests, but they can also harm beneficial organisms like earthworms. These chemicals can seep into the soil and remain there for long periods. Pesticides can kill earthworms directly, reducing their populations drastically, and they can also accumulate in the soil and poison them over time. This long-term exposure can lead to chronic health issues in earthworms. Heavy metals such as lead and mercury are toxic to earthworms. These metals can enter the soil through various industrial processes and waste disposal methods. They can accumulate in their tissues and disrupt their bodily functions, leading to impaired growth and reproduction. Industrial waste often contains a cocktail of pollutants, including chemicals that are harmful to earthworms. And these pollutants can contaminate soil and harm earthworms. The combined effect of multiple pollutants can be particularly devastating. Acid rain, caused by air pollution, can also harm earthworms. This type of pollution results from the release of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. It can acidify the soil, making it inhospitable. Acidic soil conditions can interfere with earthworms' ability to thrive and reproduce. Fertilizers, if overused, can also create unfavorable conditions. Excess nutrients can lead to soil imbalances. Microplastics are emerging pollutants. They are also a concern. These tiny plastic particles can persist in the environment for long periods. These tiny plastic particles can be ingested by earthworms, potentially harming them. The ingestion of microplastics can lead to physical blockages and exposure to toxic substances. Section 7. Protecting our underground allies. Protecting earthworms is crucial for maintaining healthy soils. There are several steps we can take to safeguard these valuable creatures. Reducing pesticide use is essential. We can adopt alternative pest control methods. This includes integrated pest management. We can also support organic farming practices. Proper waste management is also vital. We must dispose of hazardous waste responsibly. This prevents soil contamination. We can also compost organic waste. This provides earthworms with a valuable food source. We can promote soil conservation practices. No-till farming reduces soil disturbance. This protects earthworm habitats. Cover cropping can also improve soil health and provide earthworms with shelter. Section 8. Sustainable practices for a healthier future. Sustainable practices are essential for protecting earthworms and ensuring healthy soils. By adopting these practices, we can create a more sustainable future. Organic farming avoids the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. This protects earthworms and other beneficial organisms. Organic farming promotes biodiversity and enhances soil health. Crop rotation is another important practice. It involves growing different crops in a particular area one after another. This helps to control pests and diseases naturally. It also improves soil fertility. No-till farming minimizes soil disturbance. This preserves earthworm burrows and protects their habitat. No-till farming also reduces soil erosion and improves water infiltration. Section 9. Conclusion, a call to action. Earthworms are the unsung heroes of soil health. They are essential for agricultural productivity and environmental sustainability. Their burrowing, nutrient cycling, and organic matter decomposition activities are crucial for healthy soils. Pollution, however, poses a significant threat to earthworm populations. Pesticides, heavy metals, and industrial waste can all harm these valuable creatures. It is imperative that we take steps to protect them. By adopting sustainable practices such as reducing pesticide use, managing waste responsibly, and promoting soil conservation, we can create a healthier future for earthworms and ourselves. Let us all do our part to protect these underground allies and ensure the health of our soils for generations to come. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos about the environment, and please like and share this video. If you are interested in your own worm composter, there is a link in the video description.